Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the constraints explicit. Define readability, predictability, and minimal surprise as your goals. Once done, install a linter, formatter, and pre-commit hook so style becomes automatic. Make sure to limit scope to a single feature, file, or contract to avoid emergent behavior. You do this because smaller and forced rules reduce accidental vibe, that is, unexpected personality in code, and keep outputs deterministic. Begin coding inside those guardrails, and commit tiny, reversible changes. You now build the behavior with explicit, obvious logic. Name things clearly and keep functions short. Avoid clever one-liners that add character. Once implemented, add unit tests focusing on edge cases and deterministic inputs so behavior is predictable. Make sure to use feature flags or a simple state machine to control rollout and prevent emergent interactions. You do this to replace intuition-driven elegance with repeatable, tested steps that minimize the code's vibe and ensure teams can read and reason about it. You complete the task by running integration tests, static analysis, and quick performance smoke tests to confirm no surprising side effects remain. Once done, document the guarantees and failure modes and list required inputs so consumers know what to expect. Make sure to deploy behind a feature flag with circuit breakers and a rollback plan to revert quickly if something odd appears. Troubleshooting tip: if behavior deviates, revert the last change. Run failing tests locally and inspect diff for implicit state or hidden defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.